Welcome back to another episode of Life in the CT with your boy CT. Let's get you looking good. So it is gala season and it's also summer wedding time. So I wanted to show you a little bit about black tie dressing. So I'm gonna give you 3 ways to add a little personality to your black tie attire. One of the simplest and most inexpensive ways to jazz up your outfit is with accessories, like a bow tie. So we're gonna ditch this solid bow tie and wear one with pattern and a little color. I like this bow tie from Etro. Now all you YouTubers out there who are gonna say that I didn't tie this tie, you're correct. If you'd like to know how to tie a tie, check out this video with Jordan. Another simple thing you can do to jazz up your outfit is to take a tip from the 17th century and try a cravat or an ascot. Relatively easy to tie, and it goes around your neck under your shirt collar. So it just kind of peeks out and adds a little character. My favorite way to spice up a black tie outfit is by changing up your jacket, adding something that's a little bit more fun than your typical old school tuxedo jacket. This first option here is from Etro. Has this really cool jacquard leopard print, which works well with black, or if you want to add any tans, there's a little sparkle there. So you're not going to be overdoing it, but you're definitely going to catch some eyes. Another option I have for you is this jacket from Isaia. Given the navy of this jacket, it's a little bit more subtle, but the floral really adds some character to it. So you might not catch eyes from across the room, but that person you shake hands with is definitely going to notice your attention to detail. Now these are just a few options on how to spice up your black tie attire, but we have plenty of other offerings to make your black tie attire your personality. Well, I hope that you feel a little bit more comfortable adding a little bit of character to your outfits for this black tie season. As always, like, subscribe, follow, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.